Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kum Shibinta ban pensuk ki kipat ba ke East and West Khasi Hills District ki bahap ban Leit Shillong ban le servicing ki kali ka Maruti Suzuki kalawan ban bu no ya ka Maruti Suzuki service hapendeng umyong Mairang ya kini ka Maruti Suzuki service labu hapendeng umyong Donggien Marjan bar ka yeng mani jong ka Balang Presbyterian pendeng umyong kibor ki berikmi jong kini ka Maruti Suzuki service kilai thu bahang ni lala ban le na du ka free service ka paid service ka general check up bat kiway kilai thu ru bahapok kini ka workshop center labu ru ikinong tray ki batben bat iki machine ke babiang ki badai karkum kini ka juk ka bamenta
Jing pili ya kan ka Maruti service workshop center hang ni apa premium kolong ban pensuk ikipat ba jong kan ka district Eastern West nama babaro shikata ki ban Leit Shadu isha Shillong ban le ika servicing jong ki kali jong ki kilut ke pisa pat kumju ro kapor namar ba ki hap up deki kenta ban le servicing namar ba bon ki kali ki ban keleng ke jika ban le servicing ke Henry mentang ngila peli kan ka servicing workshop center hang ni apa Mairang ki ba kilala ban le ya ki servicing jong ki daduk ka first second third ki free service general check up ki paid service ban kiwe de ki services ke hang ni center ngila don ro kinong tre ki batubin pat ki kor ki boru ki babiang.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.